Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 5th August of 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardships and sacrifice of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From the day onwards, 15 August became a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past culture programs by school students. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that we sacrificed to gain this freedom. Furthermore, the school and colleges organize various functions to celebrate our Independence Day and to pay tribute to these freedom fighters. Also, students performs in these programs that depict the struggle of our freedom fighters. In school and colleges, students give solo and duet performance of patriotic songs. These songs fills our heart with a feeling of patriotism and love for our country. Usually in offices it is non-working day, but all the staffs and officials gather to express their patriotism for the country. In addition, at various offices, employees deliver speeches to enlighten people about the freedom struggle. Also about the efforts of our freedom fighters to make this country an independent nation. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that the future hangs on the young generation. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nations and make every possible efforts to make our country better. One of the main motives for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generations aware of the sacrifices we have made to make this country a better place for them. Most noteworthy, it tells them how our country got independence from the grasp of Britishers and about the sacrifices of our freedom fighters has made for the country, as they are the ones who struggled for our country. Furthermore, on this day, we forgot our differences and unite as one true nation should. We celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale in our country. Also, every government building is decorated with tricolor lights that orange, white and green, just like the national flag. Furthermore, every official and office staff, whether private or government, has to be present in the office for the flag hosting ceremony and singing our national anthem. Besides, there is a lot of other reasons to celebrate our Independence Day. Freedom fighters struggles to make our country free from the Britishers. In addition, they were the ones who sacrificed their lives for the country. On this day, every citizen of India country pays tribute to them. Furthermore, it makes them aware of the development that took place in the past year. Consequently, to make them serious about our future and careers which they put forth to make our country better. To sum it up, gaining independence from Britishers was not easy, and it's because of the struggle and hardships of our freedom fighters that we now live in a free country. On Independence Day, we remember the long battle that our freedom fighters fought and sacrifice that they have made. So lastly, I wish you a very happy Independence Day to all my Indian nation.
Good evening, dear teachers and parents. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August.
among